How to prime your brain for success in just 10 minutes a day. Visualization can be the secret weapon in turning your dreams into reality. You already have the power to achieve what you want in life. Motivation, strategy, and the big idea are already there, locked in your subconscious mind. Take just 10 minutes every day to unlock that power and start to move toward your goals. 1. Harness the power of your subconscious. You may not realize how powerful your subconscious is in determining whether or not you succeed in life. A negative mindset can act as a drag, stopping you from imagining your dream life and going for it. It'll remind you of past failures and tell you that gaining success and wealth is hard work and painful, even impossible. Studies have shown that you can rewire your mindset by programming the reticular activating system in your brain to select for positivity and success. The RAS acts a bit like an email folder, getting you to focus on what's important to you. If you tell it to prioritize information that will feed your success, you'll have your subconscious mind working for you, not against you. 2. Make visualization a habit. Just 10 minutes a day of visualizing your future life is enough to keep the momentum going and your motivation high. Make the visualization habit easy by doing it at the same time and place each day. The 10 minutes before you get up and before you go to sleep are the perfect times to practice visualization. You're relaxed, unlikely to be interrupted, and in the ideal state of mind to have an impactful visualization. Bring to mind every detail of your future successful life. How does it feel? What can you see, feel, hear, and taste? What are you wearing? What emotions are you feeling? Make it as real and detailed as possible. 3. Be present. You can practice a visualization not just by thinking about the future, but also by being fully present in the here and now. Placing your happiness in the future means you miss out on all the good things in your life right now, and that can be demotivating and lead to a drop in positivity. Don't postpone happiness. Think of all the things in your life that you're grateful for right now. Celebrate your successes and your gifts, and use them to fuel your ambition for more and better. See yourself working your way along the map and ticking off your successes as you get closer to achieving what you want. Mark every success, no matter how small, and keep your energy and motivation high.